just up here after breakfast. We're all ready to go. It's only 9:30, so nice and early, but at least I can relax now. A lot of cars. And land is over there. Woo! There she is. I'm good. Going ahead of that Mars, lad. Yeah. Free for all here now, Jack.
You good, yeah?
I'm good. You?
Yeah.
Welcome to France.
Baby.
We just have to get out here now. Is it passport control or something? Oh, he's pulling us over. Hey. Over to the next one. I'm gonna go in here.
Yeah.
Hey. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Passport.
Sorry, it's hard to find the passport. Sorry, yeah, you can.
Sorry. Take it off, yeah?
I'm good. It looked more like me than you look like you, Jack. I'm gonna wait for you, I'm gonna pull in.
Making me take off his fucking helmet.
Jesus Christ. That's very ominous, isn't it?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, that way out. That's way out.
Drive through the white mark.
Come you. Oh, that's second here, Jackie, that bitch. Following the truck?
Yeah, then we're going like straight through the roundabout.
Yeah, I have directions up here as well.
Yeah.
I guess I'm taking the first 50.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Ooh.
Just watch out he doesn't pinch us now. Just like Ireland, huh? A little bit more. Look at that. Gorgeous. That is gorgeous.
I like the way they put the road saddle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything is closed. It's insane.
Everything.
Just shut the fuck down.
What a cute town.
Yeah.
It's just closed. It's a ghost town. You know, there's not even people just about, like, you know. Oh, yo, that's a quad. It's a cool looking quad.
Max speed of that thing, is it?
Don't know.
Back open.
Nice.
GB got him.
Yeah. Nice to see people, civilization. Woo.
Yeah, look at this. Something's happening.
Something is happening. French market. Oh, there's a market down there. Food. What do you think?
Food, yeah?
Yes or no, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This dude's kind of in the way.
They're fine there.
Yeah. Okay. Obviously. It's just IRL.
Authentique ou...
There's just things everywhere.
Casquette dans le magasin.
Hey. Hey.
It's crack.
Jesus, pennies.
Right, back down that road to the
That way, yeah.
Should be fucking fun getting out of here now.
Can't see shit in the mirrors.
I need to take it out of gear first.
I'm just holding it on the clutch. Nice body of water, alright, yeah?
That's being creepy, you know that?
Look at this place. Just madness.
It doesn't even seem to be people like
No.
their home.
Do you know what? I figured it out, right? It's a straight road for 20 kilometers, and then it has there's always a little S with either a bridge or a crossroads, a little town with nobody in it, a speed bump on the way out, and then another 20 kilometers straight. That's what it is. That's what France is. Oh, there's like a little viewpoint over there. You know what I mean? See the viewpoint? Oh, you didn't have it. See the viewpoint?
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's nice and all that, but you know.
It's more just impressive, really,
Yeah.
that it's there.
Yeah. Yeah, but consider we're like 10 minutes from McDonald's. McDonald's.
McParking, McDrive, McFuck off.
We just had a feed of McDonald's and it's cold. And we still have 3 hours to get to Poitiers. We're going to get there like 9 or 10. And yep, it's going to be pretty intense. Jack's not feeling great. Yeah, I think you need to put more volume up on your one.
Why? No. Okay.
All the way, usually, is it?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. So, you ready?
Yeah. To go.
Awake, alive, alert, enthusiastic.
That's what we need now.
2-stroke.
2 strokes.
2-stroke, do it, lad.
Fucking Christ. Captain Highlighter.
Captain Highlight. That's a nice sky.
Lovely, yeah.
Oh yeah, those reflective patches on your jacket are fast.
Oh, are they, yeah?
Like you've got like 2 of them on your back, like the high vis part, not the luminous
Oh,
part.
yeah.
They're pretty cool. Wow. Thank you. Is that Lake Odyssey or is that?
That is fucking cool, look at that. Can you see it?
Wow.
Right,
Some stars out as well already.
whoop.
Oh yeah. That is lovely.
Very cool.
Oh, the moon and everything.
Now, what does that might mean? Can anyone tell me?
It's
Go the right way?
yeah.
I think it means whoever shows up first goes.
Yeah. Oh, look at that left.
Look at that chateau.
Nice. That's fucking ominous. Oh,
That's crazy.
that is mad.
That's so cool. The way your lights are like making it square for me is really
Yeah.
It's been long enough as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Left at the end, yeah.
Yeah. The moon. I stopped for about 56 minutes from Poitiers. It's dark and cold, 3 degrees. We just pulled in. Any words of wisdom, Jack?
Words of wisdom.
Yeah.
Bring warmer clothes.
Bring warmer clothes.
Yeah. That's it. Do you know what, actually? I'm going to check the United match right now, and that's either going to make this last hour the most depressing hour or the happiest hour.
The happiest hour that ever was. Let's see what it goes to. What is it? What?
Liverpool beat United 7-0.
They did not beat United 7-0. Oh my god. In Anfield.
Imagine. All right.
Kilometers long straight. Poitiers. Here we go.
Leave them on the path because that's too steep.
Not unless you reverse them down. I'm gonna
just drive them into the garage.
Oh, we're bringing them into the garage?
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome.
I don't have to.
Well, I have to park up first here.